Welcome to Machines and More, and I'm here at Be Quiet's booth at Computex 2024. Got Kevin here. There's a new cooler that Be Quiet is launching. I think it'll be pretty interesting. It's a single tower variant of their very well-regarded Dark Rock Pro 5 and Dark Rock Elite family, and it's called the Dark Rock 5. So let's take a quick look here.
Yes, we got our Dark Rock series here, our air coolers, which you're probably already well known for, the Dark Rock Elite and the Dark Rock Pro 5. Now we wanted to offer a little bit more budget-friendly, but yet still being able to perform, and in a single tower option, right? So now we have the Dark Rock, and this is going to be the Dark Rock 5. As you can see, we have our Silent Wings fans that are already incredible fans that are mounted on top of the cooler here, with expandability that if you want to put an additional one to the back, you could. But we wanted to make the ease of use a lot more friendly, right? So in order to install this unit, it's literally a magnetic pop-off cap, and then one single screw all the way through the side here, and then an additional screw on the other side, just like the Dark Rock Pro 5 and the Dark Rock Elite. As well, because this is magnetic, depending on which orientation that you put it in, you can flip it around, because there's no issue regarding the actual cap. So you can basically configure it in whichever way that you would like to make the logo actually look the right way as well. But it is one of the units that is a single tower, but performs really, really well, and actually has the ability to support a lot of different sockets. Is it the highest end one that we offer? No, of course not. But if you're on a budget and you need something to perform and that wants to perform really well, that is a really good option for you.
And one thing is a little bit different about this one is that it uses a standard, it seems like a standard Silent Wings 4 fan.
Yes, there is no proprietary connector like there is on the Be Quiet, the Elite or the Pro 5. The middle fan and the front fan actually have proprietary connectors and then daisy chained together to one single PWM, again, for ease of use. But in this case, yes, if you wanted to put, for some reason, another fan, which I wouldn't suggest it, but you could put an additional fan or a different style fan on the front of this, you definitely can. It's just a 120 millimeter mount, and that works fine for any style of fan.
There is no RAM interference.
Right, because it's slimmer.
The design of the heatsink.
Absolutely. It comes with the Silent Wings 4 fan, as we said. It is PWM. It has the ability to run quiet, or if you want it to blast some air, it'll spin at 2100 RPM, which is pretty fast. It does come with 6 heat pipes. The heat pipes are about 6 millimeters in diameter, and they're copper. In addition to that, you obviously get this really nice black look to it, but it's actually ceramic coating, so it's not going to affect the heat dissipation that much. In addition to that, it's got a nickel copper base. It has the mounting screws that are already prefixed into it, so you're not going to lose those. And it does support everything from AM5, AM4, LGA, the 1851, the 1700, the 1200, and so on. And then availability, it looks like it's going to be late June, is what it says, late June 2024. And the price right now, USD, is going to be $69.90. And now, obviously, that's MSRP. So
and it'll replace it'll replace the Dark Rock 4.
Yes,
and 210 watts TDP.
Yep,
and we're expecting that at. So it should cover a wide variety of consumer CPUs.
Well, yeah, absolutely. I mean, wouldn't suggest running like a 7950X or something like that on it, but a lower end, high i5, i7, that type of stuff. That's not going to be pulling
nice
that.
And quiet.
Yeah, it'll be great. Yeah, absolutely. This particular Silent Wings that is on this model itself, you can actually see the ridge here. It's a little bit rubberized. And the reason that it is we want to cut down on the vibration and the sound, right? As you might know, the name, Be Quiet, we pride ourselves on very, very quiet operations and very quiet solutions. So this particular fan is going to have more of a rubber edge to it than the rest of our fans, which is kind of nice. And again, it just increases the sound dampening throughout the entire unit.
So big thanks to Kevin here for showing us the Dark Rock 5. So look forward to testing that out and checking that out soon. Make sure you are subscribed, give a like, and thanks for watching.